Hi everyone, in this video we are going to install AWS Cloud Development Kit and getting ready for using CDK with .NET C#. Now let's have a look. For writing code I use Visual Studio Code. We need Node.js which is 10.3.0 later version. At the last we need AWS Toolkit, which we install it as an Visual Studio Code extension. First of all, to download VS Code, we go to code.vsstudio.com. I did custom installation and choose some options, but it's totally up to you. Secondly, to install Node.js, we go to nodejs.org and download Windows installer, and I choose to install by default settings, and we are nearly there. Let's open Visual Studio Code and go to extensions and search for AWS Toolkit. After installing this, we are going to install AWS CDK. We'll go to new terminal and then we'll run this command as given in the description. npm install -g AWS CDK, and we are done. Now we'll verify with command cdk --version. There we go. I hope you like my video. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel 01 Deving. See you next time.